हाय एवरीवन। तो ये वीडियो पेशेंट को बेहोश करने के लिए और इट इज टू पुट द पेशेंट अंडर एनेस्थीसिया और sedation. We do it before every OT procedure. This is especially for my friends who are not able to go to the hospital or the wards, the OTs these days. मैंने पूरा spinal anesthesia का procedure record किया है.
Medical science was a serendipity. A neurologist, while playing with the nerves of dogs, accidentally pierced the dura. And that is how we came across this technique of spinal anesthesia. We first start with cleaning the patient. While cleaning the patient, we go from the medial end to the lateral end. Except when we are cleaning the pelvic region, where we go from the lateral end to the medial end. The procedure can be done with the patient in the sitting position, prone position, or in the lateral decubitus position. The sitting position is the most convenient and the most commonly used one. We first cleaned the area with betadine solution and then we cleaned it with spirit. Once the area is satisfactorily cleaned, you will palpate the bilateral iliac crests and go in the region between L3, L4 or L4, L5. The logic is simple. The spinal cord ends at the lower border of L3 in adults and at the level of L1 in children. So you have to go below L3 in adults. It is absolutely trying to get anesthesia over the level of L1 could damage the spinal cord badly. The term high spinal basically refers to a complication of spinal anesthesia. As you can see, the surgeon is gradually putting the needle inside. The anesthetist actually. I have put the picture of the spinal needle in the inset and stops the procedure when loss of resistance is felt. Since we are doing the procedure for LSCS, we have kept bupivacaine ready. Before injecting bupivacaine, the anesthetist will aspirate and check whether he's done the procedure right. Now he will just inject the bupivacaine and the loco-regional anesthesia is done. The layers pierced have been put in the inset.